Now, so basically right now, what do I have in front of me? This is a targeting strategy I use for my e-commerce stores, right? I use this targeting. We create a number of ads, right? We create a number of ads to show those people, and then we show those ads to different audiences. So it would really save my time. Now, for example, I have a budget of 1,000 rupees, right? For example, 1,000, right? Just to show you guys, I'm writing it over here so that you guys could see. It could be $100, like if you're talking about dollars, it could be $100. So I never suggest you to keep your eggs in one single basket, right? I suggest that you target different people, different ad groups that see your ad and they respond to it, right? Not everyone is gonna buy from you, but you're gonna need to find the audience that buys from you, right? So you can see there are 3 audiences over here. All of these 3 people are seeing the same ad, right? So the first thing that you need to do is you need to create when you're starting out, you don't need to do any targeting. You just need to create a single campaign and keep your focus on the ad set, on the ad level, right? This is the ad level, right? You need to focus on what the person is seeing, what kind of ad that person is seeing. Once you're done with that, right, if you've created 1 or more ads within the ad set, then you can duplicate it and you can target different audiences. So this was basically an e-commerce targeting that I use to get maximum sales for my clients. The only thing that you need to do is you need to test different audience. All right, so once you've tested a number of audience, what you need to do now, suppose all these 3 audiences do not work. Now suppose 2 of these audiences are working, right? And for example, these 2 audiences were comparatively, I just turned these off because, for example, those campaigns were comparatively costing me more than this one. So I'm gonna increase the budget of this campaign after it has run for at least 24 to 48 hours, and I can increase the budget. So the money I was wasting over here in these, I'm going to add that money over here because this is a winning ad set. Now similarly, what you need to do is you need to do the same thing. You need to test out different audiences and find more winning audiences. And every now and then you need to do some experiments with your creative as well. Now suppose this is one of my creatives, right? I'm going to click on duplicate. Doesn't matter what you're selling, right? Doesn't matter what you're selling, but you need to make variations. It's just like you don't wear the same shirt every single day. You change it, right? Sometimes I wear a jacket, sometimes I wear shoes, sometimes I wear slippers, right? So ad creative is just like that. You need to do some changes in it. People need to see new stuff, right? And it automatically kicks in Facebook's algorithm. Now don't worry about what's inside the image. Just understand the concept, right? Now suppose if I'm using an ad and I'm trying to get people to like my page or anything, I need to make sure that I've created another image for the same purpose. So I create a duplicate, I'm going to give a name to, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the image, right? I'm going to change image, right? Again, I can upload anything, or I could accidentally eventually select anything that I want. So I'm going to select this one. I'm going to click on continue. As you can see, Facebook marketing crash course. Again, this is a small training that I put. It's in my native tongue and it's available on my YouTube channel, right? So I created another ad and I clicked on publish. So what happens, every now and then you need to experiment with your ad creatives as well. If your cost gets automatically high, you need to add ad creatives over here, right? So let me just refresh this. This ad campaign was selected. I'm gonna go and ad level and let's see if that ad. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, and as you can see, the other campaign is here as well, right? If I click on both and I click on preview, both of these campaigns, both of these ads would be in front of me. The first one is this. If I click on this option, the second ad is going to come over here, and I can select the feed that I would like to look at, right? This is really eye-catching and it's looking good. I can definitely work around the edges over here, but since I'm not a designer, I always get help to get these things done. So this is basically the most powerful targeting strategy that you could use to get millions in sales in Facebook advertising. Even if you're selling something over here, if you're not selling, but if you target the right people, you will eventually get a lot of sales and a lot of results.